What's up, guys? It's Sick Guy Peter. I mean, Craft Guy Peter again. Back at. I'm sick. Oh, we're good. But that's not gonna stop me from doing these sweet, sweet craft projects on the internet. You know what they freaking say, dude. You'd have to beat me with a blunt object to get me to stop doing crafts. It's just this weird thing that they always say. Seems kind of weird in hindsight. Hi YouTube, how's it going? My name is Lonnie, and today we're doing another craft video, dude. 5-minute crafts. The men, the myth, the legend, the men. You all know them. You all tolerate their content popping up in your recommended feed every day. But what you might not know is that they have 1,000 other channels dedicated to different genres of crafting, such as girls and boys and kids and pets and aliens and toilets and...
If you can imagine it, there's a channel for it.
It's wild, dude. We're truly out here in the wild, wild west, but with crafts instead of guns, where you just like couple of cowpokes. 1, 2, 3. And they both live happily ever after with all their views and money. A lot of you guys might not know this about me, Craft Guy Peter, that is. Sorry, I just like to introduce myself as such. Sorry, where are my glasses? Good. I don't like to feel UV rays in my eyes when I'm talking. I also like to wear this mustache while I'm crafting. Please don't respect me. That was way more honest than I meant it to be. I'm wearing this mustache because I am a man, and today we're looking at 5-Minute Crafts Men channel. Dude, I wish lonniedos had a freaking whole separate channel dedicated to just men. That sounds like a dream come true. Dub, 3 dudes in a tub, dreams do come true. That was a haiku by me. Oh, also in my last video, I got a freaking copyright claim from whoever makes their like royalty-free sounding music that isn't royalty-free at all, but I mean, it's fine because I don't really like that music anyway, but they copyright claimed it, and then they gave me a very polite email knowing that I could buy a license if I wanted to use that music in the future. However, I'm just gonna freaking replace all of that stock music with the Jomar song.
Joma, I miss you
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I seriously always wanted to try this.
so much, yes, baby. Joma, I miss you so much, baby. Joma, I miss you so much, Steven. Joma, I miss you so much, yes. Joma, I miss you so much, yes, baby. Joma, I miss you so much.
And by I'm not gonna lie, I mean, of course I'm gonna lie. No one's wanted to try, peanut butter goes on bread, dude. Peanut butter does not go on my manly face. Let's freaking give it a shot anyway, though. We got our freaking razors, our cheap disposable razors that I can't open. Ah! First things first, I'm the realist. The razor works, dude! Tested and busted. Still has the guard on too. It's crazy how that actually worked. Weird. How does this? Let's just get down to brass tacks, dude. And by brass, I mean peanut butter colored taxes. I'm ready to freaking show the IRS what's what. I'm innocent. What am I ever talking about, dude? I feel like I'm even more insane when I'm sick. I'm just gonna use the other side of the razor to scoop the peanut butter because I honestly just don't want to live. There it is. There's the money. There's I'm not gonna, oh. I dropped it. I'm not gonna lie, I have kind of always wanted to do this. That did come from a place of truth. I just didn't want to admit it, dude. I was putting up a front so you guys would respect me as the YouTube that I am, as the website that I am. Because if there's nothing because if there's something that I won't give up, that I'm not willing to sacrifice, it's my respect that people have for me, you know? I can't wait to have acne tomorrow. Okay, I think I've really freaking overdone it with this. This is how much nut butter we've used, and we're just gonna use this side. I mean, I guess we could use another one. These are just crappy disposable razors, so screw. Oh, I'm dripping on my clothes. All right, second razor, we're going in. You think I don't take this seriously? You think I'm not a man? You think I can't be a man for 5 minutes a day? I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, this isn't working. I put way too much peanut butter on. Oh wait, you hear that? Let me get here close to the mic. That's some ASMR shaving noises if I've ever heard it, buddy. Oh yeah, that's the razor hitting the grain. Which I mean, would probably work better if I didn't like literally just shave before doing this video. But, I mean, we can't all be goddamn psychic, you know what I'm saying? Okay, well, I hate this, turns out. I know you guys didn't see this coming, but this is actually terrible. And I'm gonna, probably die now, I think. It technically works, if that's what we're doing here. All right, I feel like that could have went better, but I am shaved, dude. I'm freaking looking nice, looking clean. What the hell, dude? Freaking dude, I grew it back this fast. Are you joking me? I mean, I guess that's the price you pay for being a man. Other finger gun. Being a man myself, that means that I know what beer is, and freaking going to the store today, I've realized that that's actually not true, and because I couldn't find the freaking beer, dude. I thought I knew what it was. So I picked up this apple juice instead. It's gonna freaking get us through our next tag. Let's see what's in store. Hit it, boys.
I miss you so much, yes, baby. Joma, I miss you so much. baby, your mom is.
She's just opening it with her teeth. I don't think that's a good idea. I mean, I guess that would be cool if you could do it, but I feel like that's a thing that's hard to do. You kind of like cut that. Oh, dude, it makes me cringe, dude. I can't do it. I can't. I don't want to learn how to do that. It's not, the pros and cons are just not there.
Your mom, I miss you so much, yes. Your mom, I miss you so much, yes, baby. Your mom is so, baby. Your mom is so much, Steven. Your mom, I miss you so much, yes.
This one, I guess, seems a little bit more useful than using your gosh dang chompers in case you bring your diary with you to every social gathering like I do. You never know when inspiration will strike. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna freaking just rip a page out like so. Then they just kind of keep folding it long ways until it is hard, I guess, is the point. You're just kind of making a hard object out of something stupid. Just buy a bottle opener. If you're going to the store to buy alcoholic beverages, just buy a bottle opener. Then you don't need to look up on the internet and okay, anyways. I'm just trying to be, maybe I'm just the crazy one here. Maybe 5 Minute Crafts is always gonna be the voice of reason. I'm sorry I doubted you guys. I don't know if this is tight enough. We're gonna freaking try this one. Just freaking mash this bad boy under there. Yeah, that's not hard enough at all. Not even sort of. Jesus. Oh! Dang it. If you're queasy, look away. What if we do a few pieces of paper and edit the hack a little bit ourselves? This is like 3 pieces. We shall see if this will be a little stronger. Give it a 1-2, buckle my shoe. I don't know why you would do that. You're crazy. All right, this feels much sturdier, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. If it was gonna work with anything, it's gonna work with this book I've just created. The goal is to get this little doggy to pop off. Come on, don't you wanna pop off with your paw? Don't you wanna pop off with your paw? Oh my God, it ripped the paper. Imagine that, freaking acted so surprised. Forgive me, Lord, for I am dumb. Good Lord, give it. The good Lord, open it with paper. Ow, that was it gave away so easy. Look away if you're squeamish. I'm really just destroying my fingers here, bud. Which corner have we not used? Never. Oh God, it's every time. I'm freaking literally bleeding from this. That's improper. It's getting all over my other fingers. Oh, this is messy. Oh, this is a messy. Okay, just buy a bottle opener. It's not worth it. There's so much blood. Nothing we shouldn't be able to fix with more crafting. It's really just pouring out. Here's a lonniedos original for all you crafters out there. You freaking wrap a freaking paper towel around your wounded finger. You just wrap this tape around it because you don't know band-aids because you're a degenerate. Good as new, everybody. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Steven.
Did you guys know if you pour out the beer and you freaking fill it with water, you can actually water your plants with it? Isn't that crazy? Unfortunately for me, I live in the post-apocalyptic hellscape that is Las Vegas, and there's no plants for miles, so I can't really test to see if this one works. My neighbor just watched me film that and it was real awkward.
Joma, I miss you so much, yes, baby. Joma, I miss you so much, baby. Joma, I miss you so much, Steven. Joma, I miss you so much, yes.
Are you tired of opening your beer like a human being and having a bent, stupid bottle cap like a gosh dang Neanderthal afterwards? What are you gonna do, throw that away? You can't do anything else with it. It's in terrible condition. I really don't understand the logic behind this one, dude. Freaking why would you want to preserve your beer cap that bad? For your collection? I don't know, but we're gonna freaking try. Okay, so here's, first of all, hold your horse. Bring your horse back to the stable, Captain. Please show me your horse so I can make sure. Okay, good. He's there, he's good, he's back. Watch me crank this soldier boy really quick. Okay, I would like to point out, this here is not bent. This, not bent. Pristine freaking condition. No coin necessary. If you really wanted this, old Greg or otherwise, you could have it, dude. I see no reason why you would complain about the quality of the, okay, I digress. Humor them and freaking do what a man would do. Hold on. All right, now I'm a man. Now I'm ready. Do what a man would do and freaking, what? Do what a man would do and do what a man. Okay, nope, stop. Slippery money, dude. Right, what is it too big? What about this one? They call me Slippery Pete. Okay, okay, this one, no, it's just slipping out. Okay, all right, we did it. What we're gonna do now? Can you tell the difference? Can you spot the difference? The dog on the cap's name is Spot. Can you see him? If you, 10 out of 10 people can't see him if they close their eyes.
Your mom is so much, baby. Your mom is so much, Steven. Your mom, I miss you so much, yes. Your mom, I miss you so much, yes, baby. Your mom is so much, baby. Your mom is so much.
Hip hip, hooray! the old beer box cooler, eh? Haha, I know it well, because I am a man, if you'll remember. If you'll just kindly recall my gender, please. All right, Papa, for this one we're gonna need our beers, our bucks, our bag. If you forget, it's easy to remember. Just remember the 3 B's. And our bice. It kind of throws a wrench into the whole 3 B's thing, but work with me here. I need all of the B's! All right, so I guess you just shove it in there, like you just really can't be bothered to go get a cooler or a cold drink from any place that sells drinks. This one isn't like that offensively stupid and useless. Put a boy in there. I recommend using maybe a bigger box if you want more than 3 drinks. And you just really. Now you freaking go, dude. You'll be having some brews with the boys in no time. Literally, in no time. Like now. You could do it now. Woo! All this crafting for men specifically has really got me thirsty and tired as well. If only there was a way to satisfy my urge to just drink this one's empty. This previously opened apple juice adult beverage, but I would prefer if I could drink it outside in the hot summer day, in the hot winter sun. God, I have a lot of needs. Unfortunately, the current lawmakers of the United States would not allow this, but however, there's a way! 5-minute crafts, let me just... I've hacked the mainframe!
Juma, I miss you so much, yes. Juma, I miss you so much, yes, baby. Juma, I miss you so much, baby. Juma, I miss you so much, Steven. Juma, I miss you so much.
Oh my goodness, I knew there was a way! Thank God, the voice of reason has spoken. Where in God's name is my mustache? Thank you so much, sir. Put your beer in a different container and then no one will know it's an alcoholic beverage. I think this is a pastime. See, you want to leave a little bit of coffee in there so that if a police officer insists on smelling your beverage, that it'll have the aroma of coffee still. So I feel like it's not a waste. I guess now I have to drink this for comedic effect. Is that what you think? Do I look like a clown to you? That's shockingly not as disgusting as I expected. It's like I can drink my 2 favorite things at once. Yeah, it's actually pretty gross.
Steven, Juma, I miss you so much. Yeah.
So this is the part of the video where they teach us how to fold money
like a boss.
This is how men talk. This is how I can relate to men.
Juma, I miss you so much. Yes, baby. Juma, I miss you so much. Baby, Juma, I miss you so much. Steven, Juma, I miss you so much. Yes. Juma, I miss you so much. Yes, baby. Juma, I miss you so much. Baby, Juma, I miss you.
I look like I've had one hell of a morning based on what's on my desk right now. So she takes a $1 bill and tries to make it look like she has 4 $1 bills. What, dude? What? Oh my God. If you set it under a barbecue packet, wow, dude, I could be stealing $20 from my best friend or family member instead of a simple, meaningless $4 or a $1. Let's test this bad boy out. How much money do you think's in my hand? Does it look like $20?
$5. $5.
$20?
I'm dyslexic. You chose the wrong person for this. Also, you have peanut butter on your face.
Do I? I've had it the whole video then. That sucks. Yeah, this is just $5.
I win!
You win!
Woo! Do I get the $5?
You get to keep it!
Keep it! Woo!
But it could have been 20. So think about that.
You were so right. I could have gotten 20, but I only got 5.
Okay, gotta go. Thank you.
Juma, I miss you so much. Yes, baby. Juma, I miss you so much. Baby, Juma, I miss you so much. Steven, Juma, I miss you so much. Yes. Juma, I miss you so much. Yes, baby. Juma, I miss you so much. Baby, Juma, I miss you so much. Steven, Juma, I miss you so much. Yes. Juma, I miss you so.
The money ring thing's kind of cool, I guess. I don't really know why. Do they think this is what men do? This is what kids do in school, but unfortunately for me, I never freaking did it, so I don't freaking know how to do it off the top of my head. I'm vaguely excited to learn today. They kind of like folded this up or something like that. They kind of made like a little crease, and they did like one of these. President's chin, just looking real good right there. It's my chin, actually. Ha ha ha. Do one of these, give him a dip. And voila, you have your weird, butchered, sort of ring-shaped money ring that could maybe fit on my pinky. Yeah! Then you can give it to your girlfriend so she could leave you promptly, just like she did in the video. closet, girlfriend. I bring gifts. I got you this.
This?
It's a money ring.
A what? What?
It's beautiful,
Yeah.
right?
Yes?
And
What am I supposed to do with it? What?
we've reached the part of the video that just kind of has me scratching my head. Why would you do this? Why do you need to make money fries with a side of coin dipping sauce? Like, why would anyone actually? Okay, first things first, I'm the realist. We gotta get rid of all these pesky normal fries. Been sharing here for quite, oh, never mind. I don't have that much money, but we're balling on a budget, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I like folding paper and then pretending to eat it too. Hang, hang. Three's a crowd is what they say, but luckily I'm trying to have at least a crowd of fries in my basket. Oh, dude, I know what you can do. Got me English pounds. Fancy. Except this money is too, like, plasticky. Like, it's not gonna stay in fry form. Dog, how do you guys freaking live in a country where you can't fold your money into fries and pretend it's a delicious meal? Queen's so happy she's about to be folded and made into, oh. These guys are much more stern looking. They're not too pleased that they're gonna be made into fry form. This is better. This will work. This will work just fine. How's that looking for a tasty meal of fries, boys? Oh yeah, boy, that's good. Why? I just, this isn't even funny. Just like that, you got yourself a little side dish for your little meal of French fries. Doesn't that just look appetizing? Thank all you boys for watching 5 Minute Crafts Testosterone Edition. No girls allowed. We covered a lot of bases today. We covered beer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, freaking hit the like button. Helps me out a lot and I always appreciate it. You're the freaking best. Thank you guys for watching. I usually play iPhone games on this channel and stuff like that, but I'm starting to do more variety content like this, like parodies. Having a good time, doing good, thriving, living, doing good, having a good time, feeding my 7 kids all these French fries. Little Bobby and Susie are gonna love these. They love a fistful of fries. I love holding a fistful of potatoes. Sometimes I like to squish them. This is ASMR now. This is the most disgusting feeling. I can't describe it. I can just... Anyway, thank you guys for freaking watching. You're the best.